products that I'm going to use in order to do, well, to add extension to someone's natural hair. So I have some of the alligator clips, then the duckbill clips, rubber bands, the interlocking tool, crochet hook, a small rat comb, a bigger rat tail comb in order to detangle the hair, and let's jam. And that's just the products that I'm going to use, guys, so just keep watching. So guys, what I'm doing here is I have to detangle this section, so I'm detangling it and then I'm parting it in half. I'm taking the extension now and I'll just pop a little video up in the corner of what the extension looks like, and I put that in between the client's hair, and then I go in with the interlocking tool and I start to interlock the natural hair with the extension. So it's just that movement you're seeing me doing there, that back and forth motion. I continue to do that, guys, and you would see me do this throughout the video. I watched a few videos on how to do this process, and that is what showed me exactly how to do what I am doing here. So I'm just doing the same motion in and out, and then I'm just showing you guys there that it's attached to his head, so it's not coming out. Going back in now and continuing to do the same motion again over and over, because you want to make sure that it is holding in the hair very well. What I'm going to do now is I'm applying some Let's Jam to the roots of the hair in order to smooth it a little bit, because I just want it to look a little neat, because he has some unruly hair. So we're just doing that, and then I'm twisting that around a little bit, combing the product into the hair, and then I'm going to use the crochet hook now to just tighten the roots. So I'm placing that between the hair, hooking the end and pulling it through. I'm doing that carefully, guys. I'm going to do that one more time. Here I made a mistake, so I had to go through the hair so it wouldn't pull the hair. Put the end of the lock through the hair and gently pull it through. And then I'm going to just palm roll it in between my hands after I do some interlocking into the body of the lock. Roll it between my hands, and that's one lock down. So basically that is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of his hair. So I'm just going to be doing that. I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing there. Same process I'm doing over and over. And well, I guess you all could just keep looking at the video to see exactly what it is I'm doing. And then I'm going to just, when I'm finished, I'm going to basically just wrap it into like 2 rolls down the side of his hair and secure it so that he would be able to go to school with it. And that's basically what I'm doing, guys. This is the first time I've ever done this. As I said, I watched some videos on it and I experimented. But guys, this is what I did, just showing you guys so you can see. And I hope this explains exactly what is being done. If it is, you all have any questions or anything you all want to find out, like what type of hair did I use and anything like that. I do have a short on my channel showing the hair that I used in order to make the locks, and this is just me applying the locks, sorry, the extensions to someone's natural hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll show you pics at the end.